Welcome to Golden Days MK. In our previous video, we discussed about option trading. Now we discuss about option trading in risk factors. So option buying and option writing. What's the risk? So normally 90% of the traders, what they may do, first they may buy, afterwards they may sell. So this is a normal trading. So first you buy, afterwards if you are selling, here the risk factor becoming very less. How the risk factor very less? First thing, market range becoming now just imagine market in the 10,100 range. Now market in the 10,100 range. If you buy 10,500 call option, so now your buying rate just imagine in a 10 rupees. 10 rupees means 10 into 50. So you need in a 500 rupees you need. If you have 500 rupees, you can buy one lot. You can buy. Suppose end of the expiry date, the market become in the 10,100 range or 200 range or below 10,500. So how much of the amount loss? So end of the day, most probably the price it will be reached at zero. Okay, so not more than that. So end of the day it will be reached zeros. So your loss become only one lot. How much rupees? 500 rupees only loss. In a 10 lot if you have, then how much amount loss? End of the day, then in a 5,000 rupees loss. Not more than that. So your loss is limited. At the same time, you just imagine, suppose the market it's rise up. Okay, you bought at the presently market 10,100 range, you bought 10,500 call option. Suppose end of the day market it is reaching 10,600 range, then how much of the amount you can get a profit? So market you bought 10,500 call option, presently 10,600, so 100 point up. So minimum that in your call option above 100 rupees. So suppose just imagine 100 rupees. 100 rupees means one lot 100 rupees. So 100 into 50, 5,000 rupees profit. So one lot 5,000 rupees profit. If you have a 10 lot, how much of the profit you can get? In 50,000 profit you can get. Just imagine. So you bought 10,500 call option at the rate of 10 rupees. In a 10 lot you bought. Suppose end of the expiry date, if it is reaching in a zero, you lost your amount only 5,000 rupees. At the same time, if market reaching 10,600 range, then your call option, I am saying minimum rate 100 rupees. So 100 rupees means one lot you are getting in a profit in 5,000 rupees. So in a 10 lot mean 50,000. So your buying rate 5,000 means the net profit 45,000 net profit you can get. So this is the way normal option, first buying afterwards selling na, call option or put option, both. So first buying afterwards selling na, that is to be loss limited and profit unlimited. Now we come to that option writing. So option writing, loss become either in a unlimited, profit limited, loss unlimited, profit limited. So that is the concept. How it will be work in an example I am saying. Now 10,100 range. So you are taking that in a, you are thinking market in the in a above 10,100 range only, market never come down. Okay, so you are taking that in a put option. Okay, you are taking a put option in the 9,900 put option you are taking. So 9,900 put option, just in example I am taking. So in the before the expiry date, 10 days before, so 9,900 put option in the 20 rupees. So 20 rupees means one lot. If you are buying, how much of the amount you need? Just 1,000 rupees you need. At the same time, if you are writing that put option, how much of the amount you need? The full cash it is needed. Full cash means it more than 50,000 you need. So now you return one put option. So one put option you return. Market end of the expiry date. Okay, end of the expiry date, if it is not reaching in the 9,900, so market is about 10,000 range, means you can get a profit 1,000 rupees, because end of the day the 20 rupees you return that in a put option. The put option end of the day expiry date it will become at a zero. So zero means you can able to get a profit. So in the end of the day you can buy with the 5 paisa, 10 paisa you can buy. So previously you sold the share. Okay, put option you sold at the rate of 20 rupees, and the end of the expiry date you are buying that put option. So first selling, afterwards last day buying. So in end of the day if you are calculating buying rate 5 paisa or 10 paisa, and selling price become in the 20 rupees. So you can able to get an almost 19 rupees 90 paisa you can able to get a profit. Okay, so in approximately I am saying in the 1,000 rupees you can able to get a profit. Just imagine, unfortunately, you written in that 9900 put option na, suppose market it is coming down, unfortunately coming down, market it is reaching that in a 9800 range. 9800 range means how much of that amount loss? Imagine in the 100 point loss, 100 point loss. So you return that option at the rate of 20 rupees, you return the option. Now the rate becoming at 120 rupees because 100 point down na, so maybe 100 rupees or in more than 100 rupees only. Just imagine 100 rupees. So 1 lot, how much of the amount loss in the almost in 100 point into 5,000 rupees 1 lot loss. Suppose market it is coming in that in a 200 point down, then 10,000 loss. Suppose market coming in the 500 point coming down, so you return that option at the range of in the 9900 put option you return. Now market become in the 9400 means how much of the amount loss? Almost 500 point down. 500 point means in the 5 into 5 in 25, almost in the 25,000 loss. So 100 point 5,000, 500 points mean 25,000 loss. So this is the way they make calculate. So normally there an option writing there is to be in there in a most probably in a whole year, if you think the risk becoming a very less. So most of the time market becoming there in a at a flat momentum, 25 point plus, 50 point plus, that kind of the range. When it is coming abnormal range, more than 150 point plus, more than 200 point plus, more than 500 point plus, or positive or negative, both sides. when it is coming in there in a abnormal range, that time you can, the loss it will become as high. These things I plan to discuss with you. So upcoming videos we discuss about the option risk, that further we discuss about option risk as well as the other trading, what are the risk in my experience I faced, and how to trade with the profit, how to trade. In upcoming videos we discuss us more. So thank you for watching this channel, and continuously watch this channel and subscribe this channel. Thank you.